this is already downloaded, so you want to delete that. So you'll go down into the bottom left, and then you'll go into your settings, and you'll go to the apps. And from here, you look for where it says Examplify. Okay, you click on it and you hit uninstall. Okay, so it wishes to uninstall, so hit yes. And then it should disappear in a few minutes. Do you want to remove this application? Yes. You skipped my song. You skipped a good song. It's okay. This kind of takes a while. Okay, so now you can click finish and it should disappear. There it goes. Bye bye. So then you go on and you're gonna open up Examplify in your web browser. Okay, there we are. Now you're gonna go to user login. And search for our school. Should pop right up. Unless it does something weird. Okay, there it is. So it found us. Now go to exam takers in the top left, log in. And since I already logged in, I've already done this a couple times, it's not gonna do it for me, but for you it'll probably bring you to your MyJSU page, and there you can type in your username and your password for MyJSU, and then it'll bring you to this page that I'm on right now. You go to the left and you click download, and this thing does a weird way of downloading, so you're gonna have to save the file and then give it a minute. See at the bottom where my browser is in my taskbar, it has a little loading thing. So you just wait for that. Okay, it has finished. So now what you're gonna do is, I have mine in my taskbar, but wherever you have your file, you open it, and the downloads, you go to downloads, and I have it numerous times, but yours will probably just say Win, just regular. This is my most recent one, so this is the one I'm gonna click on. I'm gonna open it. And do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. Okay, and then it's gonna do install. So what this has popped up as is, it says that the package appears to have failed. That's okay, just click continue the installation. This may pop up several times, but eventually it'll work, or it should. Okay, and then you click next. And then I accept the terms, blah, blah, blah. Click install. Okay, so then you can click finish. Alrighty, then you're gonna go to your screen and you're going to open Examplify. And it might ask you a couple questions in the beginning. It might also require you to log into MyJSU. That's okay. Go ahead and log in with your username and password. But mine just asks, it talks about screen resolution, whatever, continue. And then you have to accept the terms. I agree. And then it should pop up with all your tests. Okay, so there's the mock exam that she wants us to retake. And then there's our Unit 3 exam that I already downloaded prior and it's still there. So maybe you'll be lucky. And if not, she said to email her. And yeah, that should be it.